So subjects completed. After subjects, what? Helping verb. Okay. Subjects clear. So the next topic is helping verb. Helping verb. So the helping verbs are normally one is am, is, are, was verb, then do, does, did. Don't write down a focus here. Then have, has, and so on. Okay, will, shall also. So these are the examples of helping. These are the examples of helping verbs. There are other helping verbs also. इसको छोड़ के और helping verbs है. But now I'm just giving you only examples. So these are the examples of helping verb. Okay, like Amazon, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, then will, shall, have been, has been, and so on. Okay, ऐसे बहुत सारे helping verbs और भी है. So now we will discuss about this much. M means, now see the meaning. M means who. M means who. M means whom. M means who. And M is always used with I. M का यूज हमेशा किसके साथ होता है? I के साथ. जब भी मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ. Okay? हाँ, not am boy, like मैं. I. So M is always used with I. M का यूज हमेशा किसके साथ करते हैं? I के साथ. So M means who. M means who. Is means है. Is means है for singular number. इसका यूज किसके साथ करते हैं? Singular number. किसी एक चीज के साथ. So is means be used is with singular number. Is का यूज हम किसके साथ करते हैं? Singular number. Are means है या हो. Are means है या हो. So this है is used with plural number. This है is used with plural number. Plural number. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now was means था. Was means था या थी. था या थी. Was means था या थी. When we are talking about any boy, जब हम किसी लड़के के बारे में बात करें then when we are talking about any girl, जब हम किसी लड़की के बारे में बात करें then थी. Okay, so was means था या थी. Word means, okay, and this is used for again singular number. This is used for singular number. Was is used for singular number. Was का यूज किसके साथ करते हैं? Singular number. Now second one word. W-E-R-E. Word. Word. W-E-R-E. Word. So word means thing. Word means thing. Word means thing. And this is used with plural number. Plural number means दो या दो से ज़्यादा. दो या दो से ज़्यादा. So word is used with plural number. And what's the meaning of word? Word means thing. Second one do, does, did, another helping verbs. Okay, have been, has been, will, shall. So this much is clear.
Yes, sir.
So these are the examples of helping verb. These are the examples of helping verb. M means who. M is always used with I. M का यूज हमेशा किसके साथ करते हैं? I के साथ. And I means मैं. So M is always means हमेशा. Always means हमेशा. So always with I, what we use? M. Like M is always used with I. M का यूज हमेशा किसके साथ होता है? I के साथ. Is means है. With singular number. Or means क्या? With plural number. दो या दो से ज़्यादा. Was means थी. When we are talking about any boy, जब हम किसी लड़के के बारे में बात करें then when we are talking about any girl then was means he. Okay? And was is used with singular number. Was का यूज किसके साथ करते हैं? Singular number. Second one word. W-E-R-E. Word. Word means he. Word means he. Word means he. And word is used with plural number. Word का यूज किसके साथ करते हैं? Plural number के साथ. Means दो या दो से ज़्यादा. After that the remaining helping verbs do, dash, did, have. So okay, these are the another examples of helping verbs. So this much is clear? Helping verbs. Okay, just note down this also. With heading, first of all, just write down the heading helping.